Hello students. Students for class 11, I have already uploaded videos related to 2 chapters and I am going to begin with the 3rd chapter, that is the first chapter of your snapshot book, and the name of the chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Students, the story revolves around 2 poor Armenian boys, Murad and Aram. They are the members of Gargolian family, and Gargolians are famous for being honest and for their trust. These are the hallmarks of the family, their honesty and their trust. The story revolves around these 2 boys. Aram is the narrator of the story and Murad is his cousin. Both of them are talking about the time when they were into their childhood. The story begins in a mood which is full of adventure, where Aram, who is just around 9 years old boy, was sleeping into his room, and one morning suddenly his cousin Murad came and he tapped on the window of his room, that too around 4 o'clock, very early in the morning. Aram got up immediately. He went out to see that who was tapping on the window of my room, that too in so early. And what he saw, he could not believe his eyes, because he saw his cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. He was happy to see horse, because he knew one thing, that his cousin does not have a horse, and the complete tribe was poverty stricken. Nobody in the complete tribe had the horse. Now the question was, from where has he got the horse? How he was sitting on the horse? From where he has arranged that horse? This question struck Murad, Aram, and Aram immediately came up to one conclusion, and the conclusion was that he might have stolen the horse from somewhere. But on the very thought, the other thing which was there, that the trust of Gargolians and honesty of Gargolians was not making him to believe this. So he wondered for a while that from where has my cousin got this horse? But he was not ready to believe that he can do stealing, or he can do any such activity which can put a question mark on their complete tribe, on the Gargolians. So he straight away, after coming out of the dilemma, put a question to his cousin Murad, that from where have you stolen the horse? Now the question of stealing made Murad little suspicious, but he ignored the question and he said, "You don't talk about all this." He didn't answer the question, and he said, "I have come to invite you for a ride, and if you are interested to take a ride, then come quickly." Aram was also a small child, 9 years old only, and he was also very fascinated about horses, and he loved riding. So the moment Murad said that I have come to invite you for a ride, his thoughts suddenly changed, and he only thought of having a ride on the beautiful white horse. So then and there he decided, giving answer to his own self, that yes, I know my cousin can't do stealing. He would have not done anything wrong. If he has the horse, that only means one thing, that we are going for a ride. So he decided to go for the ride with his cousin. He went inside his room again, he changed his clothes, and he leaped onto the back of the horse, and they started for that morning ride. That joy which was giving them a pleasure, and within few seconds they crossed some vineyards, some wheat yards, and they came out of that country. The country word here means the village where they were living. They came out of it and they were enjoying themselves with that morning ride. But the ride was not that smooth. What happened later, we'll continue tomorrow. Watch this video and do read the chapter, and then I'll continue with the same. Thank you, children.